Okay, the entire front end is protected in PPF paint protection film, as well as the side mirrors. The inside of this car is really clean. You can see the driver bolster looks really nice, very minimal wear. If I had to pick apart something in this car just to give you some sort of imperfection, I would say maybe just the cup holder here has a little bit of wear. But besides that, this thing is really clean. Alright guys, the last part of the video is a quick visual condition report. And this entire front end is protected in paint protection film, as well as the side mirrors. So it has done a phenomenal job at keeping this car almost perfect. There's a couple rock chips in the PPF. I don't think they made their way through to the paint, but we will check those out. And I saw one small chip in the gloss black plastic over here. But other than that, this thing is just mint. So here on the top of the hood, we have two little chips here. Like I said, I think those are in the PPF only. It does not look like they made their way through to the paint. You have a couple here on the lower side, and honestly, I think they're just in the PPF as well. I don't think they got through to the paint. And the only real chip that stood out is right here on the edge of the gloss black plastic. There's a couple more throughout maybe, but that's the only one that really stood out. If you have any other questions about this car, give us a shout at Exotic Motorsports of Oklahoma, and I'll put the link down in the description. Thanks guys, and have a good one.